All right, what's going on? We back on the MoonRock. I know it's been a while since I did a little video, but I came back to the rear end. I know the last thing that y'all seen me doing was the exhaust, and I did finish that. I got my little hangers from O'Reilly, and it was like 5 something a piece. Got those welded up here, for the vibrations. Got to keep all the brackets from cracking and stuff. So the exhaust is fully welded. I didn't show myself dropping the motor in the transmission, and my other pan came in. It's a high capacity one. Also, my cable for the BMM shifter, and I already got the brackets on there. Let me see if I can focus that and stuff. So I did have to drop the exhaust because I couldn't weld on the top of this, and I might have to drop it again. My transmission lines have finally came in, and I'm having problems getting the lower one on, fitting my hand in there because of the exhaust is 3 inches, and it usually don't go right there. It's usually routed around the side over there. But that's in. I also did the serpentine setup. I put that on there and stuff. So coming back to the back, I cleared the whole rear end. All my races, the bearings are gone. I knocked them out with a little punch, and then I came back. And I had to sand it down. Like when you punch it out, you probably gonna nick that. And it's gotta be flat when you put the new ones in there. And I got the new ones right here. Also, my rear end finally came in. 456. That's the old bolts and crushed sleeve. Here go the new one, and that's from Excel. This is all the original parts what I'm gonna be mounting it to. I had to get I rented this one from O'Reilly, I think. This is to set my bearing races, see? And so I got that. I couldn't find it at Harbor Freight. And then I bought this at Harbor Freight. I think this is like $50. And I just needed a new set of them, so I went ahead and got that. But that's the old bearing race right there for the pinion. And also while I got my axles out and stuff, I'm gonna be, y'all remember I did the disc brake conversion on the rear, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my wheel rings on there. These are RGB Dream Chasers. So I was gonna do the double row 17, but I'm gonna do the 15. My road is not that big, and I got a floater that go on top of the rim, so you probably won't see it anyways, unless it's from the inside. So, but that's where we at so far. Still got the little air ride set up on there, 200 psi. Manual air valve, and the blow off, you see she still add up. It's been probably almost a year since I added that up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm drive my new races in on the front and the back, or this the front and the other side the back for my new pinion, and that's the old one. I think I got I really got that separator. I think they got a spacer in here, and I gotta put that on the new one. I mean, it looked like one, but I hate to do that, and it ain't on there, but I'd hate to install a new one, and, I need that. So this is the new kit. Once again, that's from Richmond Gears, and it came with all of this. I found a deal on it. I be really browsing for deals all day. Like, I'm cheap, because I almost got, probably when it's done, I have a little over 50,000 in this project, and I didn't budget that. I budgeted about 15,000, so I'm kind of embarrassed. I know people brag about how much they put in their car. I don't want to put a lot in, That's why I do most of my work. Also, the digital dash came in, so I'm fitting that. It's a little dirty, so that's not the see. And so I gotta wire this up, and I did my diaphragm. That's the wires with the gauge, and there's my pin code. So I kind of got them ready for whenever I'm finna put it in there. And that's the little case cover right there. So it's, a lot of little knickknacks, little parts and stuff I'm still waiting on. I did put one of the motors back in for the window. I'm getting all that set up. I also have my little projectors when you open the door. I put them in there a long time ago, if you can see. That's gonna be the Decepticon logo. I think they're either green or purple. That piece right there, I'm gonna redo and stuff. I was trying to shrink the leather, and it didn't work out too good. So we're gonna do that. That's interior. and I haven't finished all the console and stuff because I'm changing that shift out to the B&M. So that's y'all pretty much caught up on everything. And that's all I got for now. I'm gonna go ahead and, like I say, start messing with this end real quick. And then I'll probably check y'all with another video. All right.